all went to NRA 2018 to find the most innovative products on the show floor. Here are our favorites.
I'm Steve Holmes. I'm co-founder of Pixy. Well, Pixy is a human capital management platform that gives every one of our operators in our ecosystem access to a mobilized contingent workforce. So the idea is getting them base loaded into our platform, allowing them to schedule and globalize their scheduling, and allow these new habits that have formed in the gig economy and reaching the people that are not being able to be reached now, that are finding that flexibility and independence that are now exist in the gig economy. The idea is we're building critical mass, so a lot of people are offloading their employees into our platform. When we turn on the intermediation piece, that allows sharing of employees throughout the platform. We're doing all the validation as far as all their employee paperwork. We're doing the MVRs for people that drive, and we're taking that whole thing away from the employer. And as far as working at other opportunities, that is building a live resume. So if you work at a QSR at a certain franchise, you're now able to work at any of that same franchise throughout the country. So it allows a shifter to mobilize and create opportunities around wherever they're at. What we do is we adjust, obviously, those rates and paid time off laws and all those things. We're taking on that burden of adjusting everything in our ecosystem so that the way everyone's presented in our ecosystem is exactly what the lawful rate is. And so, again, taking away that contingent liability of an employer of trying to keep up with things that they're never really notified on. For shift workers, it allows them to piece together multiple part-time jobs. It creates that whole flexibility and independence that they're seeking. In fact, flexibility and independence is highly valued even over a living wage these days for some people. We created artificial intelligence within the app so that if anyone off schedules in the app, it'll automatically go to anyone that wasn't scheduled to be able to pick up that opportunity. And if nobody on their home team was available to pick up that opportunity, it would go out to the greater ecosystem of people that were eligible to pick up that opportunity. For the operator, really getting rid of the thing that kills them the most, which is turnover. Turnover is sapping the very profits out of operators. Our operators can self-deliver, so they get to preserve their brand, they get to preserve their identity and customer experience, keep the revenue instead of giving it out to a third party. So we're giving them access to this new paradigm where people are engaging opportunity right at their fingertips.